welcome to LIC Diamond Jubilee Quiz 2016 Grand Finale. अब जिस वक्त का आप इंतजार कर रहे थे वो वक्त आ गया है. Yes, it is the grand finale of the LIC Diamond Jubilee Quiz. I'm Mandira Bedi और मेरे साथ है Quiz Master आदित्य नाथ मुंबई.
Thank you very much. और आमने सामने हैं हमारे 4 बेस्ट टीम्स ऑफ इंडिया जिनके बीच में कंपटीशन होगा और इनके साथ है भरोसा LIC का. LIC जिसने जीवन की सुरक्षा को एक नया मतलब दिया है हमारे भारत के इतिहास में और इस इतिहास के बलबूते पे आयोजित किया है LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज 2016.
कौन जीतेगा, कौन हारेगा, कौन कहलाएगा चैंपियन ऑफ द LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज 2016 पता चलेगा अब आज. इस स्पेशल फिनाले के लिए हमारे साथ हैं बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट इरफान. A big round of applause for our international superstar. Irfan, can we quickly have you on stage for a few questions? इस सफर को ज्यादातर मैंने तय किया आदित्य के साथ, पर आपने भी हमारा साथ दिया है थ्रू द सेमीफाइनल्स. आपने 2 सेमीफाइनल्स को विटनेस किए, आप ग्रैंड मास्टर भी बने. आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा और आगे इस फिनाले से आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं?
आई थिंक जो फर्स्ट सेमीफाइनल था उससे बेहतर दूसरा सेमीफाइनल था
जी.
एंड आई नो ये जो 4 टीमें आई हैं ये इनमें मुकाबला काफ़ी तगड़ा रहेगा क्योंकि जो लास्ट वाला सेमीफाइनल था उसमें ऑलमोस्ट एक टीम थी जो कवर अप कर रही थी और उसको अगर और राउंड मिले होते उसने कवर अप कर लिया होता. तो आई एम रियली एक्सपेक्टिंग ग्रेट कंपटीशन एंड ग्रेट एंटरटेनमेंट एंगेजमेंट हियर एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड. और आप सबको बहुत बहुत best of luck, all the 4 teams.
Let's meet our teams now. Thank you very much. आप अपनी जगह ले लीजिए please.
Thank you Mandira. Thank you.
And we'll call you back.
Yeah, sure.
After a little while.
I'm waiting for that.
इरफान, आप तैयार हैं? ऑडियंस, आप तैयार हैं? आदित्य, आप तैयार हैं?
नहीं, पहले टीम्स को तैयार करेंगे फिर हम तैयार होंगे.
चलिए उनको बुलाते हैं, टीम्स को बुलाते हैं. We'll begin with team A. Team Kolkata.
National University of Juridical Sciences, Kolkata.
From the east, it's time to move to the north. हमारी जो टीम B है वो है दिल्ली की टीम.
शहीद सुखदेव कॉलेज ऑफ बिजनेस स्टडीज, न्यू दिल्ली.
और आज के इस फिनाले में हमारी जो टीम C है वो है हैदराबाद. Please welcome the team from Hyderabad.
Osmania Medical College.
And finally the team which may have a little home advantage क्योंकि हम ये शूट कर रहे हैं मुंबई में, टीम मुंबई.
That team is from the DJ Sanghvi College of Engineering.
शुरू करने से पहले as we always do हम चाहते हैं कि आप अपना नाम बता दें.
Hi, I'm Saurabh Kumar from WPNU-JS. I'm the 4th year of my BLLB program. It's a wonderful experience. The crowd is energetic, the atmosphere is energetic. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
I'm Abhinav Kumar from NUJS. I'm also a 4th year law student. It's a honor for us to have made it this far and now it's anybody's game here.
आगे बढ़ते हैं, आप बताएं. Introduce yourselves, how you're feeling being a part of the finale.
Hi, I'm Gaurav Jana from CBS New Delhi. We've seen how well teams other than us are performing, so it's going to be a tough match.
Right, I'm Ravteej Singh. I'm studying finance at Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. I've only got one thing to say, Aag plus Lashin.
Team C.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudhir Mane. I am an intern at Osmania General Hospital. Feels really great to be here. Among such diversity, we have teams who are lawyers, business students, engineers, science students, and even from the 4 directions of the country. Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, and then of course Hyderabad.
I'm Syed Murtaza Hashmi from Osmania Medical College, and it was a gut-wrenching semi-final for us. And we look forward again to have some good, hopefully a gut-wrenching national final.
Gut wrenching. You enjoy gut wrenchers. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं टीम डी.
I'm Siddharth Nayak. I'm studying in the third year from DJ Sanghvi College of Engineering, and this is a great platform where we got amazing teams and like it's going to be fun to play.
Hi, Panda here again from DJ Sanghvi College of Engineering. I think we got lucky in the semis and I hope we get lucky again. Thank you.
किसी ने कहा आग और लाशें देखेंगे.
आग और लाशें.
कौन लगाएगा आग, किसकी बिछेंगी लाशें.
इरफान आप क्या कहेंगे हमारी फाइनलिस्ट टीम्स को? दिस इज इट.
आई थिंक एक टीम ने ऑलरेडी वॉर्न कर दिया है आग और लाशें बोलकर. तो सब एक्साइटेड हैं. जो लोग उतने एक्साइटेड फील नहीं कर रहे थे उनका भी खून अब बॉईल करने लगा है. तो आग ऑलरेडी लग चुकी है अंदर ही अंदर, जो दिख नहीं रही है. और आई थिंक जब सवाल आएंगे तो आज दे विल गो फॉर देयर ब्लड.
राइट, थैंक यू. तो आप अभी गेम के रूल्स, क्विज के रूल्स से फेमिलियर हैं. फिर भी आपको बता दें जो पहला राउंड है इसे नीड फॉर स्पीड कहते हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ 30 सेकेंड्स आपको 60 सेकेंड्स के सवाल पूछे जाएंगे. तो यू कैन अटेम्प्ट अप टू व्हाटएवर 12 क्वेश्चंस. जहां आपको पता नहीं आप पास करेंगे. कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है इसमें. टीम ए, टीम फ्रॉम कोलकाता, अगर आप तैयार हैं आपके 60 सेकंड शुरू होते हैं अब.
Which tech company was bought by HP in 2002 for $19 billion?
Pass.
Which team of the World Kabaddi League is owned by Akshay Kumar?
Pass.
In which country is Mount Elbrus, the highest peak in the Caucasus Mountains, situated?
Europe.
Country, I said.
Country would be Switzerland.
Incorrect. In which film did Irfan play the role of Wasiullah Khan, aka Musafir?
This would be D-Day.
Incorrect. Who is the only Indian to have been Time Person of the Year so far?
Narendra Modi.
Incorrect. Which member of the Kachwaha clan was the last ruling Maharaja of Jaipur?
Pass.
By what name do we commonly know the chemical compound dichloro?
Pass.
Who was the first Democrat to be elected as president of the US?
John Adams.
Incorrect. Of which semi-classical, you can take this, musical form is Girija Devi a virtuoso? Of which semi-classical musical form is Girija Devi a virtuoso?
Pandavani.
Pandavani is not a semi-classical form at all. Kolkata, you attempted 9 questions. NUJS, I'll give you the answers to the ones that you missed out. The tech company bought by HP in 2002 for $19 billion was Compaq. The team of the World Kabaddi League owned by Akshay Kumar is the Khalsa Warriors. Mount Elbrus is located in Russia. Irfan played the role of Wasiullah Khan, aka Musafir, in the film Saath Khoon Maaf. The only Indian to have been Time Person of the Year so far was Mahatma Gandhi. The last ruling Maharaja of Jaipur, the member of the Kachwaha clan, was Man Singh II. By what name do we commonly know the chemical compound dichloro-difluoromethane is Freon? The first Democrat president of the US was Andrew Jackson. And Girija Devi is a renowned exponent of the Thumri. So that brings us to the end of the first set, and it was crash and burn.
This is a finale. The level of quizzing is going to go up.
Every day is another day.
Every day is another day.
इसी राउंड में आई थिंक इन्होंने सेंचुरी मारी थी.
जी हाँ.
दिल्ली की टीम बी, अगर आप तैयार हैं आपसे सवाल पूछे जाएं.
आपका समय शुरू होता है अब.
Who is the longest serving Prime Minister of India till date?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Correct. For which Nobel Prize winner is the SI derived unit of radioactivity named?
Becquerel.
That is correct. Who was the second woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress in 1925?
Sarojini Naidu.
That is correct. Which former cricketer is the current president of the ICC?
Pass.
Of which European river are Sava and Tisha tributaries?
Volga.
Wrong. In which village did Billu live with his family in the film Billu?
Pass.
Which app has recently been launched by the Indian Army for ex-servicemen?
Pass.
With which classical dance form would you associate
Pass.
Name the boatman who ferried dead souls across Styx to the Hades.
Pass.
Which Indian media company was bought by Walt Disney Company in 2012?
Viacom TV 18.
That is incorrect. You did very well to begin with. आपकी शुरुआत बहुत ही बढ़िया थी. आपने 10 सवालों को अटेम्प्ट किया और पहले तीन जो सवाल थे उनके सही जवाब दिए. So you've got yourself 60 points, a good way to open your account. आपको बता दें आपके गलत जवाब या पास हुए जवाब क्या हैं. Which former cricketer is the current president of the ICC? Zaheer Abbas. Danube, that's the European river of which Sava and Tisha are tributaries. Budbuda is the name of the village in which Billu lived in the film Billu. The app that has been recently launched by Indian Army for ex-servicemen is called the Veterans Outreach app. The dance form you would associate Shambhu Maharaj with, which you passed very quickly, was Kathak. The boatman who ferried dead souls across Styx to the Hades is Charon. And UTV is the name of the media company which was bought over by Walt Disney in 2012. Let's see whether Team C is up for it.
Okay, so we begin with the third set that is coming for you. Team C, Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad. Your time starts now. With which god would you associate the mythological weapon Vajra?
Vishnu.
Incorrect. How many father-son pairs have been presidents of the United States? Correct. Which two Indian cities will be connected by a proposed Hyperloop project?
Mumbai and Thane.
Incorrect. In which 2015 film did Irfan star along with Aishwarya Rai?
Guzarish.
Incorrect. Which neurological disease caused by mercury poisoning is named for a place?
Minamata disease.
Is correct. Who was the last ruler of Jammu and Kashmir?
Pass.
At which Olympic Games did India last win a gold medal in hockey?
1960.
Incorrect. Which is the highest point of the Aravalli range?
Pass.
How do we better know the singer Eileen Regina Edwards?
Lord. Pass.
Incorrect. Which festival is celebrated to mark the beginning of the Parsi New Year?
This is Navroz.
I will give it to you. It is the Jamshed Navroz, the Navroz, which literally means new day or new beginning. You attempted 10 questions. 10 सवालों में से आपने 3 के सही जवाब दिए. बाकी सब आपने या तो पास किए या गलत जवाब दिए. उनके मैं जवाब आपको दे देता हूँ. वज्र इंद्र का वेपन है, फेवर्ड वेपन. The two Indian cities will be connected by the Hyperloop project are Mumbai and Pune. The film in which Irfan acted along with Aishwarya Rai is Jazba. The last ruler of Jammu and Kashmir was Hari Singh. The last time India won a gold medal in hockey at the Olympic Games was
84.
No, 1980. 1980
Oh,
Moscow Olympics. The highest point of the Aravalli range is called Guru Shikhar, and Eileen Regina Edwards is the real name of the
Sia? No.
Madonna.
No,
Madonna?
No.
is Shania Twain. So 60 points for getting 3 questions correct.
देखते हैं टीम डी आपका प्रदर्शन कैसे रहता है. अगर आप तैयार हैं, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब. Which element in the periodic table is named for the Greek goddess of rainbows?
Pass.
Which legendary Brazilian footballer is the current manager of FC Goa?
Zico.
Correct. Which character did Irfan interrogate in the film Slumdog Millionaire?
Pass.
Which river is formed by the confluence of the Chandra and Bhaga rivers?
Pass.
Under what pseudonym did William Sidney Porter write short stories and novels?
Pass.
Who is the current CEO of Standard Chartered Bank India?
Pass.
Name Demeter's daughter who was kidnapped and taken to the underworld by Hades.
Persephone.
That's correct. Who was the Time Person of the Year in 2014?
Mark Zuckerberg.
Incorrect. What is the state dance of Andhra Pradesh?
Kuchipudi.
Correct. Which operating system's updated version was named Xenial Xeris?
Pass.
Who holds the record You can answer this for holding the office as Prime Minister of India for 13 days.
Gulzari Lal Nanda. Gulzari Lal Nanda.
Incorrect. 11 सवाल आपने अटेम्प्ट किए, लेकिन आपने सिर्फ 3 सवालों के सही जवाब दिए. वाकई 60 seems to be the score of this particular round. तो आपको जल्दी से बता दें आपके गलत जवाब या पास किए गए सवालों के जवाब क्या हैं. Which is the element in the
Iridium from Iris.
iridium? Which character did Irfan interrogate in the film Slumdog Millionaire? Anyone? Jamal, that's correct. The confluence of the Chandra and Bhaga rivers.
Pandarpur, near
Which river is formed by the confluence? Chenab. Under what pseudonym did William Sidney Porter write short stories and novels? O. Henry.
O. Henry.
The current CEO of Standard Chartered Bank, India, is Zareen Daruwala. The Time Person of the Year in 2014. Ebola fighters. The operating system, which operating system's updated version was named?
Ubuntu.
It's not your turn to answer.
Everybody else seemed to know Ubuntu. Who holds the record for holding the office as Prime Minister for 13 days? Atal Bihari Vajpayee. In fact, scoreboard दिखाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, क्योंकि हम बार-बार बोल चुके हैं 60 was the score to beat. 3 टीम है 60 पॉइंट्स पर, टीम B, टीम C और टीम D. और एक टीम ने अभी तक अपना खाता नहीं खोला है, लेकिन all is not lost, क्योंकि आगे का जो राउंड है वो बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त राउंड है. आप 300 पॉइंट्स स्कोर कर सकते हैं इस अगले वाले राउंड में. इफ़ यू गेट द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ चॉइस एंड टीम ए, आपको मिलेगा पहला चॉइस. राइट, सो लुक एट दैट एज अ पॉजिटिव. इरफान, ये पहला राउंड बहुत ही क्लोज है. यहाँ पे इट्स एनीबॉडीज गेम. इवन दो जो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम है, उन्होंने अपना अकाउंट अभी तक खोला नहीं.
मुझे बहुत उम्मीद है इनसे. आई थिंक कभी कभी होता है ऐसा. ये इनकी काबिलियत तो कोई क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं है. सो इट्स फैंटास्टिक राउंड,
क्लोज राउंड. अब कभी कभी पहले राउंड के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि वन टीम हैज शॉट अहेड, पर यहाँ पे मामला बहुत ही क्लोज है. इट्स एनीबॉडीज गेम, जैसे कि आप सब ने कहा.